There we go.
Good job.
Is it numb, Mikey?
Yum.
Good job. Oh, yummy.
He's much happier when he can feed himself.
They generally are. And he doesn't really care that he's a mess. He had a bad
Oh, you look fabulous.
Hey, there's yogurt to be had. Let me. Can we scrape your face off and get another tablespoon or so?
Probably.
It's like half of a carton of yogurt on there.
It's good for your skin, you know.
Yes, it is. He is the,
some of the most
he has this dry skin
some
too.
of the most expensive spas in America put yogurt on your skin.
Well, you gotta take.
He's like in a feeding frenzy.
He bopped himself with a spoon. Oh, pumpkin boy. He
Okay.
bopped himself with a spoon. Yeah. It's okay.
Good job.
All right, Mikey, good.
Wow.
You did good with
That was a good job. Look at how nice you did.
You are just cute, cute, cute. So Daddy did, yay-wee! Here's some clapping on TV. Yay, Mikey! Boy, look at your little shirt already.
Oscar, we needed to change into our jammies anyway.
I wore this shirt for half a day, Grandma.
Yeah. Let me help you.
Clapping while eating.
Wee! Mikey, you did good. You're gonna bop yourself again. All right. You did it.
Spoon on my belly.
You are just cute, cute, cute.
Oh.
Mm.
Man, is that delicious, people.
Commentary and everything.
Yep, you did good. You did good. It's gross. What's your problem, people?
We think you're funny. That's our problem. We think you're funny.
Here, I'll help you.
Yeah, me too. Wow. Wow. That is some
Mikey, it's all
good
gone.
yogurt.
It's all gone.
We only have to find something else to feed you.
Most of that he's ate in a while.
You know, earlier today he like opened a spoonful and just basically threw it on the floor.
Yeah.
Fabulous.
It's all gone. All gone. Where's it at?
It was all over your face.
All gone.
Look at the two noodles he put up in his hair, just because he could.
It's like, hold on, there might be
And
like...
he didn't just get them there. He took them and deliberately placed them.
They're beautiful. All gone. It's all gone.
No more bites, honey. Fine, I'll leave the table.
Tasty spoon.
Numb, yeah. Numb spoon. It's a spoon. Say spoon. Mikey, you did good, buddy. Good job, Mikey. I see numb. Yeah, this is what I say. This numb for Daddy. It's Daddy's numb.
All right. Say bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye.
Mama.